Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're talking tarot cards. Was this card meant to find you today? Maybe? Subscribe to this playlist as we take a journey into each of the tarot cards one by one and the meanings of the imagery and message they convey. Let's get started. The Fool, which is card number 0. The Fool is typically depicted as a young man standing on the edge of a cliff, gazing upwards with a carefree demeanor. He often carries a small sack over his shoulder, representing the minimal baggage he brings with him on his journey. A dog accompanies him, which symbolizes loyalty and protection. The sky is usually clear, and the sun is shining brightly, symbolizing optimism. This card is about new beginnings. The Fool represents the start of a new journey filled with potential and opportunity. It's a card of innocence and a fresh perspective. Trust and risk. The Fool encourages taking a leap of faith, trusting that the universe will support you. It's about embracing the unknown and being open to unexpected possibilities. Spontaneity. It reflects a carefree attitude, urging one to be in the moment and enjoy the journey rather than worrying about the destination. We hope you enjoyed this message. Did it resonate with you? If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.